I'm in South Africa. I can't make money in websites based in the US. What do I do? Before we start with this video, I want to tell you that I'm also South African. This video is not sponsored, so this video is legit. So without further ado, my name is Dollar Influencer, and today we're talking cash as always. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and turn on post notifications if you want to make money online. I don't want to bore you with a long speech of who I am and what I do, so without wasting any time, let's get into the 5 free money apps every South African must have. But remember, none of these websites will actually work if you have not subscribed yet. And we got number 5. Number 5 is Field Agent. This is Field Agent, and what you do on Field Agent is that you perform missions. And one thing you didn't know is that Field Agent is one of the highest rated apps to make money online. An advantage for people who live in big cities, like maybe you, if you live in a big city, is that you get more missions on the app. And Field Agent typically pays between 40 Rand and 150 Rand per mission. They pay you through your bank account, and they don't pay you through PayPal because PayPal does not transact through South African rands. At number 4, we have Snap and Save. This is Snap and Save. What happens on Snap and Save? Snap and Save is a app which gives you cash back when you shop for grocery items. What you can do is that you can go on the app, book a few items which you're already going to buy already. For example, let's say you are going to buy bread. Bread is 12 Rand, as you know, going to Pick and Pay, for example. And you get them, go to Pick and Pay as normal, go and buy your groceries. And before going to buy groceries, or after, I'm not really sure, but you can book that you want to buy bread, you want to buy sunlight, you want to buy cold drink, and anything that you want to buy, you can book. And once you have booked those items, go and do your normal shopping, get there, pay for everything, which we're already going to do because bread is a need in my family. Bread is a need. I don't know about you, but you buy bread and come back and take the slips and snap a picture of that, upload it to Snap and Save, and within 24 hours the Snap and Save team will respond to you and they will pay you. And because you are already going to buy these products already, why not get cash back from them? And if you are a 15-year-old, 16-year-old trying to get money, and if your parents are going out to buy groceries, just ask them, what are you going to buy for groceries this month? They'll be like, I'm going to buy this. How much is that going to cost you? They'll be like 1,000. And you know, with that 1,000, you can just book the items which they were going to buy already, take them off and get to the shop, get those items and make at least 300 Rand from that. And you just made yourself 300 Rand. Just imagine. At number 3, we have Swagbucks. This is swagbucks.com, and this swagbuck pays you for doing everyday tasks on the internet. For example, watching videos or taking surveys. You basically getting paid to use the internet. But how do I get paid on Swagbucks? Swagbucks pays through PayPal and Amazon gift cards. Fun fact that you should know is that they reward users that reach their daily targets. So make sure to check out daily targets. And at number 2, we have MindSwarms. MindSwarms pays you $50 for every study that you complete. So if you take $50 and convert that into our currency, that is higher than 700 Rand. Imagine making 5 studies and just take this money, times that by 5, and you get your amount of money that you made from these 5 studies. So what happens on MindSwarms? On MindSwarms, you have to book a study, get approved for a study. Once getting approved, then you have to they're going to give you a few questions which you must answer. The average questions which they give you is about 7 questions, and you have to complete those 7 questions within a video. So you have to take a video of yourself answering those questions, and normally a study is less than 10 minutes long. So that's a 10-minute or less video, but you get him this amount of money, $50 for one study. Just imagine. So definitely check that app out. Number 1, we have Revcom. Revcom is a website which makes you a great sum of money per week. I'm talking 1,700 per week. Times that by 4, you get 6,800 rand. Just imagine making that amount of money. I'm sure you would be the happiest man or lady on this world. So with that amount of money, you're asking yourself, what do you do on Rev to get that amount of money? That's too much. What happens on Revcom is that Revcom is a transcriptionist website, and you can just go sign up on Revcom and to be a transcriptionist or captionist. I went with the transcriptionist opinion. So what is transcribing? Transcribing is the words you see. For example, when you're watching a soapy, let me use the Queen as an example. You will see when somebody's talking and there are words just there, and that is a transcribe. What I can do is that I can take this video which I'm recording right now, give it to Revcom, and they will transcribe it for me at how much? About $1 per minute, and they're gonna give it to one of the transcriptionists, which are like you and me. You sign up as a freelancer, so they're gonna give it to a freelancer, and the freelancer is gonna take that and transcribe it, and once they are done transcribing it, they'll get paid up. Within a week, you are able to make 1,700. That's the minimum. That's the minimum. So just imagine making hell of a lot of money. Hell of a lot of money. So I actually made a video on that, so you can just check it out here. I think it's here, but it's possible that it could be up here also. So just make sure to check out that video. One thing I forgot to tell you is that Revcom pays you via PayPal every Monday at 5 p.m. Pacific time. That is the end of the video. They pay you via PayPal, and just go check out these apps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. So make sure you have subscribed, turn on post notifications, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment. Tell me, what do you think of this video? Tell me how much you made on your first day of using these apps, because I know you are going to make a lot of money. So don't forget to subscribe and like. Dollar Influencer here, and I'm out. Peace.